Lucid Air. I can't believe I never heard of this company. But we got to have the electric vehicle news. And this company is looking to dethrone both Tesla and Porsche, their new Taycan model. They claim that they're going to do better on the aerodynamics. Now, aerodynamics, big component for the, particularly the electric vehicle industry, but vehicle industry in general, aerodynamics, drag.
Yes.
Because efficiency, I mean, you're pushing a large object through air. The more drag you got, I mean, you got to compensate for it. You got to put more energy into the movement then, whether it's electricity or gas. So the efficiency in terms of distance, range, and cost depends on a design that's going to cut through the air. And this Lucid Air claims to have cracked it and beat out those other guys. And albeit not by a ton, but by a little bit, enough so that it's a bit of an achievement, because those other guys are really good at it. Tesla and Porsche, they really put a lot of effort into their drag, into their aerodynamics. So it's measured in CD, drag coefficient, and the Model S is 0.23, the Taycan is 0.22, and this new Lucid Air is supposed to be 0.21. And I think a lot of it comes from the front end of the car. If you look at the front end of it, it's got that kind of like really curved nose looking thing to it. I mean, the inside of it looks pretty cool as well. I'm not sure about the rear end there, the rear quarter. No, like behind the rear seat door. Yeah, that portion right there. But you know what it gives you? That back seat, that crazy back seat on there. Look at that thing. Look at the recline and look at that guy. Look at the way the lights come out. Now, I have to admit, some people are skeptical if this company's going to be able to deliver. There have been players in the space that promise all kinds of things and then don't really bring it. Now, I'm not suggesting that's the case. They're apparently testing, I think there's 40 units on the road at the moment. They want to get there. And I'm all for it. I'm all for different interpretations, futuristic vehicles. Look at that. That's a great image you just found right there. That's a showcase of that drag coefficient. Incredible stuff. So anyways, they claim that because of this, they're going to be able to achieve 400 miles per charge, which makes them a real big-time competitor for the Model S and better than the EPA figures that came out for the Taycan, though that's kind of disputed because, well, for a number of reasons. But anyways, this should put them in the ballpark. And the only other thing I should mention is that they're not unveiling the entire thing until September 9th. So you got to wait a little bit for that. And also pricing, this is going to be a premium one. You probably knew that already.
Unveiling what? The car?
The production version.
Production? Oh, this is still a concept.
Well, you know how they have to like roll it out on a stage for people to feel like it's real?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that production version, meaning like, okay, the Cybertruck is not a production version.
No.
The dimensions are actually going to change a little bit once it hits the highway. Yeah, anything. Exactly. But anyways, yeah, it's a premium one. It's $100,000. So you probably realized that when you saw the interior. But it's going to be a Model S competitor, not a Model 3 competitor. So it won't be a mass market vehicle. They're going for the premium angle.